Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on signing in to your PlayStation account automatically on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Login Settings. The first checkbox here is Log in to PS4 automatically. Once that checkbox is ticked, your account will automatically sign in when you start your PS4. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.